Well, thank you very much for being here. The Supreme Court's ruling on tariffs is deeply disappointing, and I'm ashamed of certain members of the court, absolutely ashamed, for not having the courage to do what's right for our country. I'd like to thank and congratulate Justices Thomas, Alito, and Kavanaugh for their strength and wisdom and love of our country. The Democrats on the court are thrilled, but they will. Therefore, effective immediately, all national security tariffs under Section 232 and existing Section 301 tariffs, they're existing, they're there, remain in place, fully in place, and in full force and effect. Today, I will sign an order to impose a 10% global tariff under Section 122 over and above our normal tariffs already being charged. And we're also initiating several Section 301 and other investigations to protect our country from unfair trading practices of other countries and companies.
What you're saying is, are you saying that you don't plan to honor refunds for companies that file for them?
I just told you the answer, right? I told you the answer. It's not discussed. We'll end up being in court for the next 5 years.
Power for your
We're going straight ahead with 10% straight across the board, which was the absolute right to do. And that's taking place. That's a lot of money coming into our country. And then during that period of about 5 months, we are doing the various investigations necessary to put fair tariffs or tariffs, period. The India deal is on here.
Mr. President.
Thank you so much, Mr. President.
All the deals are on it. We're just going to do it a different way.
Mr. President.
Thank you.
On the trade deals that were negotiated using IEEPA tariffs,
Yeah.
do those stand now, or are they have to be
Well,
redone?
some of them stand. Many of them stand. Some of them won't, and they'll be replaced with the other tariffs. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Hello, everybody. Okay, quiet over there. Okay, is this on? For Donald Trump's speech to mention tariffs and not mention the costs they impose on American families shows that he is totally in a bubble. He has no understanding of what the average American family goes through.
First glance, the Supreme Court's ruling actually brings some relief, and we see this in stock markets. But I think in the longer term, it still means new uncertainty, because the White House has already answered that there are alternatives, and President Trump can find other trade sections, other tariffs, to impose those on his trading partners. So uncertainty will be back, because I don't think that President Trump will back down from his tariff agenda. When we look at Europe currently, the US-EU deal that was made last summer was not subject to the Supreme Court ruling. So this is a bilateral agreement. And it now still depends on the Europeans whether or not they want to go on with this trade deal, or whether European Parliament, which had put the deal on ice, the Greenland conflict, is now actually willing to open it up again, or to simply sign it and agree to 15% tariffs.